Hello. Welcome to TCMT 622, Value Chain Management. In this video, you'll learn how to navigate this course on eCampus. After logging into eCampus with your net ID and password, locate this course under the section, My Courses. You will see this page, which is called Start From Here. Please watch Dr. Leon's introductory video if you have not done so. Then, please read through our course syllabus, attached as a PDF document below. It's very important that you read it carefully, since all the important information is listed there. In the syllabus, you will see the contact information of Dr. Leon, and how this class will communicate throughout this semester. Currently, meetings shall be scheduled ahead of time, and Zoom, an online conferencing tool, is free for you to use. A Zoom link is provided here. Scroll down to course topics, calendar activities and major assignments dates. You will learn about what assignments and exams to expect, how much do they weigh in your final grade, and the due date for each assessment. Pay special attention to the explanation of the assessments. Scroll down to the course schedule section. You will see the learning modules and submodules, topics covered, and graded assignments on a weekly basis. Course policies and support can also be located in the syllabus. Now, let's click on the course activities link to the left. You will notice that each module has its own folder, and a brief description of the learning objectives, and how long it will take you to learn. Let's click on Module 1. Notice that Module 1 has two submodules. Click on Part 1. You will see all the activities included within this submodule. For instance, a reading exercise, 2 topics, and 1 assignment. Click to launch the reading assignment. Click the Continue button to start working on this assignment. When you are done, don't forget to click the Save and Submit button. Now, let's click on the first topic. Click to watch this video. Notice that the duration and transcript of this video is also provided below for your convenience. On the left-hand side of the toolbar, click the My Grades section to see your grades. Not all the grades will be posted immediately after you submit your assignment. Please be patient and check back later. Enjoy learning.